What's up mga dude power chunks? It's the MMYJ. So yun na nga guys, nakita nyo naman sa intro ko ano ang gagawin natin para sa video na ito. So para sa video na ito, magta-try po tayo ng mga TikTok recipes. Actually, dalawa lang. Na nagustuhan ko at nakita ko sa TikTok. Kasi sino ba naman ang walang TikTok ngayon? Ngayong quarantine. So dahil naka-GCQ pa rin tayo, bawal pa rin lumabas ng bahay. At kahit na ma-lift yung quarantine, at kahit na ma-lift yung quarantine, wag basta hindi ka mo magwa. Dahil mahirap pa rin mag-risk sa panahong ito. So, ayan, papanoorin natin ulit yung mga TikTok recipes na gagawin ko for this video. Una, yung pinaka-paborito ko pong TikTok recipe na nakita ko mula kay Milk Puppy or Newt. His name is Newton. So, oops. My heart went oops. My heart goes a little further oops. And na-addict na po talaga sa TikTok.
First, get yourself some stale bread. Take it very hard. This bread is very hard. Anyways, we're gonna cut off the crust, and this is strictly for the aesthetic. These are gonna end up in a shitload of sugar anyways, so they're gonna taste exactly the same. Cut them into sticks and let them vibe on the side. And in a separate bowl, we're gonna combine some egg, almond milk, or whatever milk you have. Anything but soy milk, because that shit tastes like some toes. A pinch of salt and vanilla extract. Give that a mix until it's combined. And now we're gonna make our cinnamon sugar. Basically, white sugar and cinnamon at a ratio of 8 to 1, aka the ratio of guys to girls at every frat party ever. Okay, in a pan on medium heat, we're gonna melt some butter. Lightly coat your breadsticks in the mixture and throw it in the pan. Make sure you don't soak it though, or else it will come out limp. And we're gonna cook it on each side until it's golden brown like this. Throw it straight into the sugar, mix it up a little bit, and that's pretty much it. Let's go! Throw it onto a plate, serve it with some syrup. And yeah, next time you have some stale bread laying around, what are you gonna do? Go feed some birds? Hell no!
So yun po ang ating unang gagawin. Gagawa po tayo ng cinnamon French toast sticks. Let's go to the kitchen. Now for our cinnamon French toast sticks, kailangan po muna nating tanggalin ang mga gilid-gilid o tinatawag nating crust. Next, we will cut it into half. Dahil nga, cinnamon French toast sticks ang tawag. In a separate bowl, we need to combine the egg and milk. So, gagamit po tayo ng fresh milk. So now we need to prepare our cinnamon sugar. Basically, cinnamon and sugar. Huwag niyo na po akong tanongin sa ratio dahil hindi ko po yan ginagawa. So in a pan, we need to melt some butter. And now, lightly coat your breadsticks sa ating mixture. nga guys, tapos na po natin gawin. Tapos na po natin gawin ang ating cinnamon French. Ba't ako nabubulol? So, yun na nga guys, tapos na po natin gawin ang ating cinnamon French toast sticks. Susunod naman natin gagawin ay ang kimchi fried rice. So, dahil nga nanood ako ng K-drama weeks ago, so parang nag-crave ako ng Korean food. And luckily, may nakita ako sa Food Panda na Korean restaurants. And they sell kimchi for 250 grams, puro mga 150 pesos. So, mula noon pa man talaga kasi mahilig po ako kumain ng Korean food. From Chef Chris Cho.
Today, we're about to make a fire kimchi fried rice. All you need is kimchi and some rice.
You need about 1-to-1 ratio and some onions and scallions. Eggs. Another one. Some oil. Scramble that joint. Tip number 1, break your egg small as possible. Cause you want the egg to dance with your rice like that. Put away egg to your side. Onions and scallions. Throw your kimchi in. Woo. Splash of sesame oil. Woo. And some sugar. And some butter. Shake your rice, baby. Boom. Some more sesame oils on top of your rice to break it up. Break that joint up. This is what separates amateurs to the pro. If you crack the egg in here, that will be wet. We don't want no wet ass kimchi fried rice. Boom. This is what I mean your egg dancing with your rice. Some sesame seed. And that's how you make a perfect kimchi fried rice.
So, yun na po ang ating next na gagawin. Yun ay ang kimchi fried rice. Let's go to the kitchen. And here are the ingredients for our kimchi fried rice. Of course, we will need kimchi, onions, rice, and of course, egg. First, kailangan nating hiwain ang ating onion. At next ay mag-scramble tayo ng egg. And of course, lalagyan po natin ng salt and pepper. Sa pan, maglagay ng kaunting oil. At dito natin isa-scramble ang ating egg. So, nakita nyo naman sa TikTok video na separate na scramble yung egg para hindi magmukhang basa yung fried rice. Sa bagong pan, maglagay ulit ng kaunting oil para igisa ang ating onion. Now, throw your kimchi in. So, nakalimutan ko pong i-video pero naglagay po ako ng butter pagkatapos kong nilagay ang kimchi. So, now we are going to put our rice. what's up you guys? I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. So, kung wala na kayong magawa this quarantine, pwede nyo gawin yung mga nakikita nyo sa TikTok, yung weird life hacks, basta yung mga TikTok videos na lahat naman tayo, aminin na natin na na-entertain tayo. Of course, if you are a fat kid inside, you can always try some TikTok recipes. So that's it for this video guys. I hope na na-enjoy nyo. And of course, please leave this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and please share this video to your friends. See you guys next time!